Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get free CapCut Pro for inviting friends. All right, let's begin. First, open CapCut on your device and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Also, ensure your app is updated so you can access the latest features. Inside the workspace, look at the left panel and find the Invite Friends or Invite Friends Rewards option. Click it to open the referral page. On this page, you'll see details about how the program works, including how many invites are required and how long the Pro access lasts. Since promotions may vary, review the terms shown on your screen. Next, click the copy button to get your unique invite link. This link is tied to your account and tracks successful referrals. Share it through messages, email, or social media where your friends are most likely to respond. Track your progress on the same page. Once you reach the requirement, Pro features unlock automatically. So that's basically how you can get free CapCut Pro for inviting friends. That's it for this video. Thanks.